Alright, so I thought I'd record this quick little project here. It's a 2021 Toyota Tacoma 3rd Gen, and it is the TRD Sport. This particular model did not come with the front track rail, so I'm going to go ahead and install that now. Really simple project. Of course, you're going to need to order the track rail. I'll leave a link for this in the description. You're going to have to pull this front header off right here. That's going to require a T30 Torx bit. Okay, pretty simple. We're going to reuse the existing hardware. Take one of your screws. Hand start it. Just enough to hold it. Alright, so I definitely recommend hand tighten these. Do not over tighten them. You'll strip the nut zert out. I'm sure there's a torque spec. You can Google it. For me, I'm just going to get it about that tight. That's it. Simple install. Now I've got a utility track in the front as well as the sides. Alright, so here we are at the corner, cab corner here. You can see there's a pretty big gap here. There's going to be a gap here. Water's going to come along here and down into here, and it's going to come right into the canopy. So what I'm going to do is take this back off, and we're going to put some silicone in here. Actually, we're not going to use silicone. We're going to use Sikaflex 221. It's an industrial strength sealant, and we'll just do the best we can to seal this up. It won't be perfect, but it'll be a lot better than it is now, because that'll really let water in, especially going down the highway. We've got pressure here. So this header bar basically just sets on the top there. You can see there's a little gasket here. Now this truck's only a couple years old, but that gasket's already looking pretty rough. I'm going to replace this because we're going to be putting a canopy on here, and I don't want a bunch of water coming in from the front of the truck while we're driving down the highway. Scrape this old gasket off. Just going to use a scraper and a wire brush. This is some leftover gasket from another project. I think it's 3/8 by 1/2 inch. Alright, so that's not perfect, but get your finger a little wet so you can daub it into place so it won't stick to your glove. Alright, so you can see we followed this here, went down where all this connects up, and then we filled the gap between the header bar and this plastic cap. Now that should help, and we can put a little more on here, but we want this to dry before we stack it up too much. But yeah, that's a big area for water to come in, so we definitely needed to seal that off. And then of course we've got the gasket between here and the bed, so it should help.